are close by. So we're doing another long distance trip all the way to Houston, Texas, y'all, for WellWorth.
Oil and gas financial analysts spend days, sometimes weeks, building Excel models that are highly complex, repetitive, and error-prone. And their schedules? Horrible. I should know. I used to be an investment banker. A few years ago, fed up with the limitations of Excel, I did what anyone with a techie husband would do. I bullied him into building a solution and a business together. Hi, I'm Samra Nawas, co-founder of WellWorth, a financial modeling SaaS platform for upstream oil and gas. We help finance leaders improve decision-making around raising, managing, and deploying capital. These executives have to wait around for weeks when making time-critical decisions worth millions of dollars. Here's why. Petroleum engineers work with gigabytes of granular well-level data that is too big for Excel. So finance teams build their models based on aggregated data. But this means scenario analysis around well-level assumptions requires weeks of back and forth to get aggregated data for each scenario. This process leads to bloated analysis costs and also holds up deal flow worth millions of dollars. Our cloud-based platform can work with granular well-level data. This lets our customers perform in-depth scenario analysis for outcomes such as financial statements analysis, risk management, and cash flow management within minutes, not days and weeks. An engineering startup called Combo Curve raised a couple of $1 million, built a product in 2 odd years, and now is disrupting the engineering workflow. Well, we already have a product and paying customers in the adjacent market for financial modeling. Our initial market size is $800 million. The opportunity for subsequent expansion into adjacent functions and renewables verticals is much larger. But more importantly, the energy tech space is rapidly consolidating, and potential buyers have already come knocking. I have firsthand experience of the problem we are solving. My co-founder and I have built the product ourselves, but we also have a support system of amazing advisors and mentors who keep us going. We bootstrapped with $200,000 of our personal savings, including our IRA and second car, and then raised $100,000 in angel capital. We went to market late last year and now have paying customers across multiple market segments. In the next 15 months, we're targeting 60 customers and $1.1 million with an 85% gross margin. We're looking to raise $1.2 million for this next phase of customer acquisition and additional feature development. If you are excited about energy, finance, and technology coming together, we would love to talk to you. It would be well worth your time. Thank you.